Try to use this needle when you sew. It will be more convenient. Well, what about when we're done stitching around? We could do 2 more stitches. This will make it a little firmer. Finally, we put the needle through the back of the body. Once it's done, we'll hide the thread inside the fabric. First, we'll put a few stitches into the texture of the fabric. This will make it a little firmer. Once it's done, we put it right into the fabric. Hide the thread inside the fabric. So the arm is sewn up. So let's do the same thing with the ears. The leg, then another arm stitched to the body. Once we've stitched up the arms, legs and ears. Then in the end. Now let's make Pikachu's mouth. So first of all, there's distance between our eyes. It's then needle borders. There are also 6 needles in the middle. Let's go through the center of the needle first. Let's just pick a needle and stick it in. And then we're going to thread it through this needle. Leave a thread under it. When it comes out, we go down to the left, then the needle goes out. Then go inside the upper left stitch again. Post penetration. We're gonna pull it out of this needle again. The leg. We'll pull it out from underneath. Tidy up a bit. When we're done, we tie a knot on the bottom thread. When we're done, we'll cut it a little bit shorter. Just leave a little bit of thread, and then you use tweezers or you use suture needles. We'll tie this little knot. Just stuff it into the fabric. Now we sew the tail right behind the main body. Here. to our sweet little Pikachu. Production is over.